principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today is a very special day. It is a graduation day, and I am so happy to be here with all of you. 2 years ago, we walked to the school with big eyes and teeny steps. We did know much back then, but look at this now. We learn so many new things. We can read books, write words, count numbers, and even sing fun songs and stories. I am so happy and proud. I want to say a big thank you to all of our teachers who did hard work for our growth. I also want to thank the friends who made school so much fun, and lastly my parents for always cheering me on, giving me lots of love and helping me every day. I am so excited for what is next. First grade, here we come. Let's all clap for ourselves. We did it.